third example from objective 1. It is said that two equal masses are attached to the two ends of a spring of constant K. So if these are the masses M and M, and initially the spring is relaxed, it is having a natural length say L0 and its spring constant is K. Now the masses are pulled apart so that the string get total stretched by X extension symmetrically. So here the word symmetrically stands for, on this side the length becomes L0 by 2 plus X, or the stretching on this side I can say on this particular side is stretched by X by 2. This particular side is stretched by X by 2. So total extension in the spring is X. Okay, because this particular length is L0. Okay. Now what is the work done on the spring? So here the net work on spring, the net work done on the spring will be positive half kx square, because on stretching external force is being applied in this direction, and the spring is also stretched in this direction. But work done by the spring on each mass. Okay, so here as two masses are present, the work will get equally distributed to both the masses symmetrically. So here the net work done on spring is equal to twice of work done by masses, which is half kx square, twice of work done by each mass. So I can say here work done by each mass is 1/4 of kx square. So work done by spring on each mass. So work done by spring on each mass will be, so the spring force Kx is being acting in the opposite direction of the displacement of the masses. So obviously the spring has done negative work of 1/4 half Kx square. Even we can directly say that the work done on the spring is half Kx square, which is equally divided among the masses. So work done by the masses is 1/4 of kx square, and work done by spring on the masses will be negative of it, because spring force in the opposite direction of displacement. So answer to this question is D. Thank you.